In this video, we will learn how to combine text from two cell into one cell. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet, and here you can see I have a two column name and address. So here I'm going to combine two cell into one cell. So let's see how it's done. First select cell and use the is equal to, then select the name, okay, and use the ampersand sign. You can say and sign also, okay. Then I use the quotation mark and use the space, again use the quotation, again I use the ampersand sign, and I select the B2. Just press the enter. That's it. You can see name and address is combined in one cell, okay. So here if you want after named comma, you can edit here the formula. Just double click on here, and after the one first quotation, first remove the space of the between two quotations marks and use the here comma, okay, and then press just enter. That's it. You can see after the name is comma showing. Same as if you want a dash after the name, same as remove this comma, okay, and use the dash, and after that just enter, and you can see the dash is showing after the name, and then his address is mentioned. Same the formula I drag below, okay. That's it. You can see the changes over here. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.